The role of artificial intelligence in shaping the future of automotive design. In recent years, artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force across various industries, with the automotive sector witnessing some of the most significant advancements. AI's integration into automotive design is not just reshaping how cars are built, but also redefining the very essence of vehicle utility and functionality. This video explores the role of artificial intelligence in shaping the future of automotive design. Enhancing design precision. AI algorithms are increasingly being utilized to optimize car designs in ways that humans alone cannot. By processing vast amounts of data and simulating design processes, AI can predict how design choices will affect everything from aerodynamics to fuel efficiency. For example, generative design, an AI-driven approach, allows designers to input design goals and parameters, and then AI generates multiple design alternatives that meet those criteria. This not only accelerates the design process, but also ensures that the final products are both innovative and functional. Customization and consumer preferences. One of the standout features of AI in automotive design is its ability to tailor designs to individual preferences and emerging market trends quickly. AI systems analyze customer data and market conditions to anticipate consumer preferences, which can guide the design of new vehicle models. This approach means that manufacturers can produce cars that consumers are more likely to purchase, reducing the risk of unsold inventory and increasing customer satisfaction. Safety innovations. Safety remains a paramount concern in automotive design, and AI is at the forefront of revolutionary changes in this area. Advanced driver assistance systems such as autonomous braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control rely heavily on AI to make real-time decisions. AI is being used to develop predictive capabilities that anticipate potential accidents and mitigate risks, potentially saving lives. The drive towards autonomous vehicles. Perhaps the most ambitious application of AI in automotive technology is the development of fully autonomous vehicles. AI's role in this area extends beyond just driving. It includes navigating complex environments, making split-second decisions, and learning from new scenarios on the road. As AI technology improves, these vehicles promise to become safer and more reliable, making them a viable alternative to traditional driving, particularly in urban settings. Sustainability and environmental impact. AI also plays a critical role in making vehicles more environmentally friendly. Through enhanced simulations and modeling, AI helps in designing engines and other components that maximize fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Electric vehicles, in particular, benefit from AI in optimizing battery life and energy consumption, making them more appealing to eco-conscious consumers. Challenges and ethical considerations. Despite these benefits, the integration of AI in automotive design is not without challenges. Issues such as data privacy, cybersecurity, and ethical concerns about AI decision-making need to be addressed. Moreover, as cars become more automated, the automotive industry faces regulatory and insurance-related questions that are yet to be fully resolved. What the future looks like. Undoubtedly, the role of artificial intelligence in shaping the future of automotive design is very significant. It is bringing innovations that were once deemed science fiction into reality. Looking ahead, the continued collaboration between AI technologists and automotive engineers will be crucial in driving this exciting field forward, heralding a new era of smart, sustainable, and safe vehicles.